Umama Lilian Dube was brave enough to call out Usomizi Mhlongo and Moshe Ndiki, who used to be best of bombers. We're talking besties here, right? So now Umama Lilian Dube has confirmed ukuthi hayi bo labantu laba balwela impundu. Kodwa ke into ithi impundu zakabani ezakabani impundu lezi ekhulunywa ngazo, right? So now a lot of people took to social media platforms and they said that, you know what, Moshe Ndiki and Somizi Mhlongo were no longer seen together after a video was seen on social media. You know, it was just making the rounds on social media of not Somizi rather, of Moshe Ndiki spending time, or rather, you know, just talking to Umuhade Montabu. They were talking together. Right, and then ever since then, we no longer saw Umoshe and Somizi, you know, being together or being close as they used to. Remember that these are besties that used to travel together. They used to, you know, Umoshe Ndiki would visit Usomizi and they would sip on some champagne, you know. It was just a beautiful friendship to watch, right? So I really do understand Umamlile Ntumi Makati ayibonina lungisani indaba zenu, you understand? Because of these two, they are dearly loved by Umama Lilian Dube. So seeing them not being on speaking terms, it's not sitting well with Umama Lilian Dube. Hi, so Tina Lana, we not saying ukuthi impundu ezakamuhale kodwa ke we just saying that the two stopped spending time together, Umoshe and Somizi, after a video surfaced of Umoshe spending time or being seen with Mohale, right? Being seen with Mohale. So people took to social media and they were like, hey, Mam Lilian Dube, yabona wena, you are a straight talker, and that's why we love you as the people of South Africa. We love you, Mam Lilian Dube. We love you and thank you so much for confirming what we've been suspecting. It's not me. It is the people, it is the fans, the commenters. You know, we've got chief commenters on social media. And then others were like, Nasomizi and Moshe, please reconcile for the sake of Umama and for the sake of us, your fans, because of Siantanda bo and ngempela siyabathanda Usomizi no Moshe Ndiki. They are man, they're so humble, they're so lovely to love, you know. Siyabathanda bayahlekisa, like bazokuhlekisa. Imagine manje if they're together, yo uzohleka nje ungaqedi, right? And then another comment, someone said, but why Usomizi cannot keep friends? Sana asazi, you tell us. Sana, you tell us. So guys, go into the comment section and tell me, Gutu, what are your thoughts about this friendship? Do you think then if that's the case, if really Usomizi and Moshe Ndiki are no longer in speaking terms because of Umuhale Motawung, do you think that it is fair? What Somizi is doing is fair to Moshe Ndiki because of, I mean, like, does that mean that if ever you and your ex are no longer getting together, then Mina as a best friend, I cannot talk to your ex just because of you not getting together? That's number one. Number two, someone might say, if we are besties and you know very well that this particular person is my enemy, therefore you cannot be friends with them. That's another point, you know, that's of justifying things, right?